Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula pentip bagi Sorkar Meghalaya bagi Sorkar Assam kinse kendu Haka Taiew banwan ban sedang ya ke iakren pynbeit puat Haka wat kebaar. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ula ong bagi Sorkar Jela ke iakren manla kepor bagi Sorkar Assam halor ke jinjak baja Khanduli. Bar Haka Taiew banwan kan sedang ke iakren Hakpadeng ke Sorkar Meghalaya bagi Assam. Uli tu bagi Sorkar Meghalaya bagi Assam kala shimru ikarai ban jurip lang ni jaka kiberan hapdeng kejing yakan at kerang banwan ra kejing singani ipat bah. Menteri Rangba ula kentui gibor penyat distrik officer ke bakmi yakathan bad ginong song bakin kiar na ginu ki kam ki balak ban kemi ya kejing yakan at.
That I have been in constant touch with the Assam counterpart. We are going to meet in a couple of weeks, definitely before the month end. We have also decided together that a joint visit will be made especially to these sensitive zones to build up the confidence of the people and also to ensure that we ask our respective administrations and our respective citizens and the respective areas and officials concerned to restrain from any kind of action that could lead to situations getting tense. So we will be making a joint visit to these locations. Not all, but to certain locations.
Whether this kind of incident will affect this second phase of water talks?
See, for the last 50 years, these things have been going on. What we need to understand is that the reason the border talks are going on is precisely so that these kind of incidents don't happen. You have to understand that that is exactly what the objective is. Today, these kind of incidents are happening because there is areas of differences. So we realize that it is even more important for us to now try and find a solution at the earliest so that none of these kind of incidents happen in the future.